One of the function of electrode coating is option to increase the weld current, to stabilize the arc, to prevent rusting, to control arc temperature. Answer is to stabilize the arc. Another function of electrode coating is to avoid the oxidation of weld pool. Second question, in resistant welding, two electrodes are made of option aluminum, iron, copper, bronze. Answer is option C, copper. Picture represents the resistant welding process. Third question, in oxyacetylene welding the flame temperature is option 1600 to 1700 degrees Celsius, option B 2500 to 2600 degrees Celsius, option C 2000 to 2100 degrees Celsius, option D 3200 to 3300. Answer is option D 3200 to 3300. In a oxyacetylene welding, the flame is three types. 1. Reducing or carburizing flame. In this flame, excess acetylene can be used to cut alloy steel, aluminum alloy. Another flame is oxidizing flame. In this flame, excess oxygen can be used for cutting brasses, bronze, copper. Last flame, neutral flame. In neutral flame, equal quantity of acetylene and oxygen can be used for cutting low carbon steel, mild steel. The color code of these cylinders, acetylene can be used red color, oxygen is black color. Fourth question, which welding process is used to join two thick plates in single pass? One single pass. Option oxyacetylene welding, option B gas tungsten arc welding, option C gas metal arc welding, option D electro-slang welding. Answer is option D electro-slang welding. Picture represents the electro-slang welding. In a rail, joining rail, weld pool, slag pool, metal pool, weld can be represented in the figure. Fifth question, the following welding process is used to weld faster to plate without drilling or punching hole. Option electro-slang welding, option B oxyacetylene welding, option C butt welding, option D stud welding. Answer is stud welding. The picture represents the stud welding procedure to joining metal. Sixth question, acceptable protective cloth for welder is made from option A heavy weight and synthetic material, option B lightweight and synthetic material, option C heavy weight and natural material, option D lightweight and natural material. Answer is option C heavy weight and natural material. Example of wool and cotton. Seventh question, which of the following is not true with respect to a laser beam welding? Option A process does not require vacuum chamber, highly thick section can be welded, no harmful X-rays are produced during welding, laser beam can be focused using optical lenses and mirrors. Answer is option B thick section can be welded. Eighth question, which following welding process utilizes high frequency acoustic vibration to generate heat and create weld? Option ultrasonic welding, option B percussion welding, option C stud welding, option D acoustic welding. Answer is ultrasonic welding. The word meaning of acoustic means high frequency sound waves. The picture represents the procedure of ultrasonic welding. In a ultrasonic welding, we can be weld plastic, glass, such like a non-conductive material. Ninth question. Which of the following welding process is not generally employed for welding plastic? Welding of a plastic. Options: ultrasonic welding, gas welding, TIG welding, friction welding. Answer is TIG welding. In a welding process, TIG welding is more precise and can be used heavy structure for welding. 10th question. The arc length of a submerged arc welding process is controlled by. The arc length of submerged arc welding process controlled by option A, welding speed, option B, welding voltage, option C, welding current, option D, electro wire extension. Answer is welding voltage. 11th question. The edges of thick cylindrical section can be welded without any edge preparation. Option A, friction stir welding. Option B, electro beam welding. Option C, electro slang welding. Option D, plasma welding. Answer is friction stir welding. 12th question. While repairing welding a crack in a cast iron body, the extension of crack can be controlled by. Option A, tacking at both ends of crack. Option B, preheating. Option C, grooving the crack. Option D, drilling at both ends of the crack. Answer is drilling at both ends of the crack. We can be avoid the crack or crack extension of the cast iron body. 13th question. The presence of the following gas has the harmful effect of leading to a crack weldment. Which gas harmful effect weldment? Option oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C hydrogen, option D argon. Answer is option C hydrogen. 14th question. The word laser is acronym for A, light amplification stimulated emission of radiation. Option B, light augmentation by stimulated emission of radiation. Option C, light amplification by sustained emission of radiation. Option D, light augmentation by stimulated emission of radiation. Answer is option A, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. 15th question. Which of the following position indicates the pipe welding in 5G position? Picture represents 5G position. Option A, pipe in vertical position and not rotated or rolled while welding. Pipe in horizontal position and not rotated or rolled while welding. Option C, pipe in horizontal position and rotated weld deposit only top. Pipe inclined position and rotated while welding. Answer is option B, pipe in horizontal position and not rotated or rolled while welding. 16th question. In gas metal arc welding, the metal transfer requiring lowest current is option A, globular transfer. Option B, short circuiting transfer. Option C, spray transfer. Option D, pulsated spray transfer. Answer is short circuiting transfer. 17th question. In flux used in submerged arc welding is in the form of. Flux used in submerged welding. Option A, liquid. Option B, granular. Option C, solid rod. Option D, solid tube. Answer is option B, granular. 18th question. The purpose of post-heating of certain weld is to option A, reduce hardness and brittleness, increase the hardness and brittleness. Option C, reduce the toughness. Option D, increase the cooling rate. Answer is reduce the hardness and brittleness. 19th question. For welding overheaded joint in horizontal plane, the technique of gas welding used is option A, forehand. Option B, backhand. Option C, straight hand. Option D, inclined hand. Answer is option B, backhand. 20th question. In gas welding using oxygen and acetylene cylinder, the pressure of gas is more in option A, oxygen cylinder. Option B, acetylene cylinder. Option C, equal in both cylinder. Option D, both in material. Depend on the material to be welded. Answer is option A, oxygen cylinder. In oxygen cylinder, gas pressure is 300 bar. Acetylene gas cylinder bar pressure is 15 bar. Thank you.